5 inches in Tallinn. Thank you, Kevin, for sharing that with us, to just 0.2 of an inch along the Connecticut shoreline. But yes, it was a stripe right through central Connecticut that ended up getting the most, and even a tornado touchdown, the radar indicating one. This was in Thompson at around 10 o'clock in the morning. Now, the National Weather Service has not mentioned whether or not they are going to go out and survey the damage, but the radar data was so conclusive, they were able to confirm that one touchdown nonetheless. They say they are extremely busy because they are gearing up for Henri, and there were multiple other tornado touchdowns or possible tornado touchdowns today in Massachusetts, so they're not sure if they're going to go ahead and investigate. 3.5 inches of rain in Windsor Locks, again, just 0.2 of an inch for the New Haven area. It couldn't be more different. Everyone woke up to variable conditions. And yes, about 5 inches in Tallinn. Taking a look at the satellite and radar now, a couple leftover sprinkles, and heading through the day tomorrow, I think most of the time will be dry. We'll see a mix of sun and clouds. Very humid conditions, and there is a chance for another shower to come through here occasionally tomorrow, but most of the time will be dry. Low temperatures tonight right around the 70-degree mark, and including those very steamy conditions. Maybe you were opening up the windows, earlier in the week, maybe not so much now. Heading through the day tomorrow, very humid, mix of sun and clouds, high temperatures in the low to mid 80s, and that chance for an isolated or spot shower. You'll see this is 2:30 in the afternoon, and we'll stop the clock again at around 6 or 7 o'clock. On Saturday, there is a better chance for a pop-up shower or rumble of thunder in the afternoon, but I still think that most of your Saturday is dry, not only dry, but warm and humid. So get stuff done, because Sunday and Monday are iffy right now. It all depends on what Henri wants to do. So I thought we would take a look at the track and how that really could determine what our impacts are around here. The right side of the track for Henri, we're talking about the chance for tropical storm force winds or even hurricane force winds and wind damage, storm surge and beach erosion. On the left side of the track, a gusty breeze, but we're not talking about the winds that the right side will be dealing with, but the chance for flooding rain, which can be equally bad. We really don't need the rain, especially after the super soaker of the July that we just had and the tropical downpours that we got from Fred. So now I want to take a look at the various computer models that we're seeing here from Henri. And there's still a range of solutions, and you can't really nail any of them down just yet. Anything from making a landfall in New Jersey to heading out to sea. But one thing that we're seeing a lot more of tonight is a lot of the computer models taking that storm and making a landfall around Cape Cod or Rhode Island. What that would do for us is spare Connecticut the worst of the wind, but we're still talking about a lot of rain. Now, this would start heading into Sunday morning, and it may not wrap up until Monday. So that's why we're talking about the potential for a lot of rainfall. And like I said, the track's not nailed down yet. It can still shift farther west. We hope it doesn't. We hope it goes 150 miles east overnight tonight. Let's hope that that's the case, but for now, it is definitely worth watching, and we may wake up tomorrow morning to tropical storm watches or hurricane watches for parts of southeastern New England, guys.